Think black holes are just cosmic monsters that suck up everything. Think again. What if I told you they can slow down time, shrink to the size of atoms, and even vanish into thin space? Today, we're diving into the dark mysteries of the universe to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes you've probably never heard before. 1. Black holes can stretch you like spaghetti. One of the most bizarre effects near a black hole is spaghettification. Due to the extreme gravitational pull, the force on your feet would be much stronger than on your head if you fell in feet first. This difference in gravity would stretch you into a long, thin strand like spaghetti before you are torn apart. 2. Time slows down near a black hole. Einstein's theory of relativity predicts that time moves slower in strong gravitational fields. If you could hover near a black hole's event horizon without falling in, time for you would pass much slower than for someone far away. A few hours near a black hole could mean years or even centuries elsewhere in the universe. 3. Black holes aren't actually holes. Despite their name, black holes aren't empty voids, they're incredibly dense objects with mass packed into an infinitely small point called a singularity. Their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, making them appear like dark holes in space. 4. They can spin at nearly the speed of light. Some black holes rotate at mind-blowing speeds, approaching the speed of light. This rapid spin warps spacetime around them, creating a swirling effect known as frame dragging. The fastest known spinning black hole, GRS 1915 plus 105, completes over 1,000 rotations per second. 5. Black holes can sing. When two black holes collide, they create ripples in spacetime called gravitational waves. Scientists have converted these waves into sound, producing eerie chirps that resemble cosmic songs. The first ever detected gravitational wave from a black hole merger sounded like a brief, low-pitched thud. 6. They can evaporate over time. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes aren't completely black, they emit faint radiation, Hawking radiation, and slowly lose mass. Over trillions of years, a black hole can evaporate entirely, disappearing in a final burst of energy. 7. There's a supermassive black hole in every galaxy. Nearly every large galaxy, including our Milky Way, has a supermassive black hole at its center. Sagittarius asterisk, the one in our galaxy, weighs about 4 million times the mass of the Sun. These giants likely play a key role in galaxy formation and evolution. 80 black holes can power the brightest objects in the universe. When black holes consume gas and dust, the material heats up and emits intense radiation, creating quasars, some of the brightest objects in the cosmos. A single quasar can outshine an entire galaxy, visible from billions of light years away. 9. They might be wormholes in disguise. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways to other universes or distant parts of space, acting as wormholes. However, the extreme conditions inside a black hole, like crushing gravity and tidal forces, make this idea purely speculative for now. 10 mini black holes could exist. While most black holes form from collapsing stars, tiny primordial black holes might have been created in the early universe. These could be as small as an atom but with the mass of a mountain. If they exist, scientists hope to detect them through their Hawking radiation. The universe is full of mysteries, and black holes are just the beginning. If your mind was stretched like spaghetti today, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.